Use makeup remover to eliminate dirt, oil, and residual makeup. Wash the face with a facial cleanser, then evenly apply toner. Apply carbon gel evenly across the face. And allow it to dry. Cover the recipient's eyes with cotton pads. Then place the black goggles on. The operator must also wear goggles. Attach the black treatment head to the handle. Select 1064 nanometers. Settings: MJ setting, 800 MJ. Frequency, 2 Hz, spot size, 3 mm. Press the start button, then activate the foot switch to begin the process. Position the treatment head 3 to 5 centimeters away from the face, and smoothly move the handle from the chin across the face until the carbon cream is completely removed. Remove the goggles and cotton pads. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Apply a facial mask. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum,